Okay, so this is what I suggest, seeing that it's kind of inconclusive as to why it leaked, and I don't know if I would want to just, pull off the skylights and put ice and water shield underneath, and if other things on the roof are failing, we're not really going to solve the problem. So this is what I'm thinking here, is we tear off this whole side. I just talked to the supplier, they still make these shingles, they still make this color. So we tear off this whole side, we put an ice and water shield on the entire plywood deck underneath, and then we create a small airspace by running 2x2 up the on top of each rafter, and then we sheet it with 3/8 or 5/16 OSB, and then we put down our synthetic felt and then these shingles on top. So it will change a few things. We'll have to have a little bit of a heavier rake edge fascia over here because we'll be building it up 2.5 inches, and then over on this side, the siding, we'll have to probably trim that siding up a little bit in order to get new step flashing, and then we'll have to obviously reflash all the skylights and stuff. But what I think that will do is that as the heat in the house during the winter escapes, and it'll give it a little bit of airspace, because we'll have a ventilation ridge vent up here, so so the hot air can sort of move around. And even if it does manage to melt the snow and ice on top and create a leak, it'll get through maybe the shingles, but it'll leak down onto the lower roofing system underneath, which is the ice and water shield, and it'll just carry it down to the gutters anyways. So that's how I think we should go about doing this, and so I'm going to put a quote together for that, and then we'll just take it from there.